Hey praisers and savers, we are at Publix. It is the first Wednesday of the month. Today is September the 1st, 2021, yep. So we'll get started here at Publix. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll be heading to Walmart tomorrow, so let's see what we can get today. First up is this children's Advil. Now, if you want to, you can get the infant's Advil at $5.39. It's only going to be 39 cents after our coupons today, but I'm going to get the children's Advil, which is going to be 99 cents after our coupons, because I'm getting this for my little nephew. He is old enough. He'll be old enough soon for this. So, well, this is the infant's, yeah. So what we're going to do is, if you're going to do this one, you're going to use the Extra Savings Book $2 coupon and a $3 coupon from coupons.com. You can print that off. Also, I think you can submit to coupons.com, so you can submit for that $3 if you don't print the coupon off. Or you can even use a digital Publix coupon of that $3. So you can either print it, submit to coupons.com with your receipt afterwards, or you can use the $3 digital on the Publix app. What I am going to do is I'm going to pick up one of these at $5.39 using this $3 coupon and that $2 coupon, making this 39 cents. And then I'm going to use that $3 digital on the Publix app. Plus I have another one of these Extra Savings booklet coupons, a little green deal, for $2 off, making this 99 cents. So I'm picking up two, 39 cents and 99 cents using these two coupons. Great deal. I'm super excited about these plug-ins because I didn't know the one that has the warmer and the oil was included in the deal, but it is. So I went to the customer service and checked. So these are $3.99. They are on BOGO. So one of them is $2, and you're going to use a $1 off coupon right there, making these just $1 each. So what I'm going to do is pick up two of those. So your total is going to be $4 when you pick up two of them, and then you're going to use two of these $1 coupons, bring your total down to $2 or $1 each. So that is a pretty amazing deal, and I have 4 coupons, so I'm picking up 4 of these warmers. All right, my store is all out of the Airwick plugs, the singles. These are $1.59. There is a digital coupon on the Publix app, making this free. So if your store does have these, click it, clip it in the digital app, and you'll be able to get this Airwick warmer for free. No coupons needed. All right, really excited about these all free and clear. You don't have to do the free and clear, but I'm going to do the free and clear because we have a new niece on the way, and so they use this kind of detergent. So the all free and clear, we're going to pick up 2 bags of those is $9.99, so just say $10. So $10 for the 2 bags, and then we're going to use 2 of these $2 off coupons for that. So if it's $10 for 2 bags, and then we use 2 of these coupons, that's $4 in coupons, bring it down to $6 for both bags, or $3 each. That's really good, $3 each. Now I know some people said that they checked on IBOTTA and they were able to use some of the IBOTTA rebates on the all. Mine is not there. I do not see it, so I'll still get the $3 for each bag, which is still amazing because this is $40 worth of detergent for only $12. So if I buy 4 bags, that would be like $40, and I'm using 4 of these coupons, so it's going to bring everything down to $12. So really good. All right, guys, pretty excited about these Pringles at Kroger. We usually get these for 99 cents a can or $1 a can, whatever. These are going to be like 94 cents or 95 cents per can. So we're going to just pick up a bunch for the kids. Haven't gone to Kroger in a while, so I need to stock up. Yeah, 94 cents a can. Pretty good deal. No coupons needed. Got a pretty amazing deal on this paste picante salsa. The cheapest ones I can find are $2.02. They have some for $2.89 and $3.49, but I'm going to pick up these $2.02. I'm picking up 2 of these. And when I pick up 2 of these, It's going to be $2.02 for 2 of them. And then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents each. So it's going to make these just 51 cents each after you get your IBOTTA rebate. So 51 cents each for the jars of salsa is pretty amazing. Oh, and you can actually do this deal 5 times. So I'm going to pick up 5 jars and pay 51 cents for each jar. So I thought I had one more coupon for this, but I don't. We have 2 coupons for the Ragu, so we're going to make it work. So this Ragu pasta, you can print 2 coupons from coupons.com, but I don't have that. I have one, and then there is a coupon on the digital coupons.com that you can use. So all of those are 50-cent coupons that you can use for all of those. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 jars of this Ragu. When you pick up one, it's going to be $1 and about 2 cents or so when you pick up one. So you're going to pick up 3, and that's going to total you $3.06 when you do all that. Now, if you have the 2 printable coupons from coupons.com and then the digital coupon from coupons.com, it's going to bring your total to $1.56. But then you're going to submit to swag bucks, and you'll submit 300 swag bucks or $3 when you buy 3, making this a moneymaker of $1.44. Now, I don't have but 2 of those 50-cent coupons, so for me, it's actually going to be a moneymaker of 94 cents, which is still amazing, and I'm still going to get it. So pick up all 3, use those 50-cent coupons for each, either print them from coupons.com or one of them from the coupons.com digital app. None of them were on the Publix app, sorry about that, and then submit $3 to swag bucks.